just coming in from the High Court. One of the rebel MLAs, Prathiraj Meena's application has been accepted, and this was the application to make the centre a party in this entire case. So we'll have to wait and see whether the decision is of the High Court is then delayed, because they have agreed to make the centre a party to this entire case. Well, let's Aman, your reaction to that.
See, Nidhi, let me tell you as a lawyer that in these proceedings, the lawyers have only argued with respect to the notice issued by the speaker. They have yet not argued with respect to the constitutional validity of the provisions of disqualification. So whether the application is filed today or it was filed earlier, it does not make a difference, because the bench is only at this moment obliged to give a judgment on the fact whether the notice issued by the speaker is correct or not. So this application, in my opinion, will make no difference, because
well, we're hearing from our reporters there that it's likely that it will not come today, the decision of the High Court. So this is another setback. We're seeing the Congress there getting a setback after setback with the first the High Court since last Friday. It's today that it was finally giving its decision. One whole week later on this issue of disqualification. Yesterday you had a setback in the Supreme Court as well, and now today again it seems that it's going to be delayed, that verdict, and increasingly you'll have to depend on that floor test.
See, of course, as I said, that our
political
strategy is already in place, and irrespective whether the High Court is giving the verdict today or not, we will go ahead with the political strategy, because we are disappointed in the court that it has prolonged the matter for so long, such an important matter. It was filed, it came before the High Court for the first time on a Friday. Then the High Court did not hear it on a Saturday or Sunday, whereas we have seen very important matters being heard on Saturday and Sunday as well. And so this long, in a matter where the speaker's notice has been challenged, it has never been in the past that the High Court or the Supreme Court has ever stated that the speaker restrained the speaker from taking a decision. So I think the court's conduct in conducting this entire matter has been a very prolonged one. Hence, we have come in place with a strategy with respect to going for a floor test, and I think the party will announce it very soon.